In trades, you may need to make calculations with feet and inches, and usually you work this out by hand, although some trades calculators you'll find have buttons for feet and inches, and they will perform operations with them, whereas most standard and scientific calculators don't do this. Here are steps to follow to add or subtract measurements in feet and inches. First, you're going to add or subtract the fractions of an inch using a common denominator. So don't forget, you have to have a common denominator to add or subtract fractions. After you do the fractions of an inch, you're going to add or subtract the inches. Then add or subtract the feet. And finally, simplify the answer. Here's what I mean. For example, say you need to add 2 feet, 9 7/8 inches, plus 7 feet, 4 3/8 inches. And we already have a common denominator, so we have 8. So we're going to add the fractions. 7/8 plus 3/8 is 10/8. Then we add 9 and 4 is 13. Then 2 feet and 7 feet is 9 feet. Okay, so now we have to simplify. So we've got an improper fraction here. We're going to change that to a mixed number. 8 goes into 10 once, with 2 left over, so 1 2/8, which reduces to a quarter. And we add the 1 inch onto the 13 inches. So that gives us altogether 14 1/4 inches. However, anything that is more than 12 inches, we need to convert that to feet. So we know 12 inches is 1 foot, so we'll take 12 off of that and add 1 on here. That leaves us with 10 feet, 2 1/4 inches. When subtracting feet and inches, sometimes you might need to borrow. So say, for example, you have 5 feet 2 inches, and you want to subtract 2 feet 9 inches. Well, I can't take 9 inches away from 2 inches, so I'm going to have to borrow. I'll borrow 1 foot from here, so that changes to 4. And 1 foot we know is 12 inches, so 12 plus 2, that's going to change this to 14 inches. Now 14 take away 9 is 5 inches, and 4 take away 2 is 2 feet. So the answer is 2 feet 5 inches.